Introducing the FX DDT Downdraft Table. FumeXtractors dry downdraft tables provide an all-in-one solution for eliminating hazardous dusts, smoke, and fumes directly at the source. The face velocity of our table is best in the industry. Notice how none of the fume is escaping. Welders using our table comment on how clean their mask is after hours of use. The FX DDT Downdraft table extracts hazardous contaminants at 2 times the feet per minute when compared to competitors and features a spark filter, filter change gauge as standard, 48-inch by 36-inch standard work surface, custom sizes are also available, best in industry 350 feet per minute draw, standard work light, welding grounding lug, hinged sidewalls, optional HEPA filter mount, standard 3-phase power and easy plug-and-play design, auto, offline pulsing, leveling feet or casters as standard, fire retardant cartridge filter, and spark and dust capture trays. FumeXtractors Downdraft tables are the safest option for source capture and are designed to accommodate a range of applications. Contact us to learn more.